If you're running a business and using those third-party delivery apps, you know the feeling, right? You're doing all the hard work making the incredible food, but it feels like someone else is reaping all the long-term rewards. Well, today we're going to dive into a simple, powerful, and unbelievably cheap way to flip that script for good. So let's just start with the biggest question of all. When that order walks out your door, who really owns that customer relationship? Is it you, the person who actually made the amazing product, or is it the app that just played matchmaker? The answer is probably costing you a fortune. And look, this slide just lays it all out. The app gets everything: the customer's data, their contact info, their order history. They literally get the keys to all of their future business. And what do you get? A single sale minus a pretty big commission. They're building an empire for their future using your customers. So yeah, that is the heart of the delivery app dilemma. You're basically stuck on a treadmill of one-time sales, while another company builds all the valuable long-term relationships. But what if I told you there's a simple, powerful way to turn this whole thing on its head, using something you already do every single day? Let's talk about your secret weapon. We're calling it the magnet. And the best part is, you can start using this on your very next order. It's not some complicated tech thing, it's low effort, low cost, and the payoff is absolutely massive. So what in the world is a lead magnet? Don't let the fancy name fool you. It's just a valuable offer, a coupon for their next order, a free appetizer, a chance to win something cool that you physically put inside the delivery bag. It's an irresistible reason for that customer to connect directly with you and not through the app. And I'm not kidding when I say the process could not be simpler. Step 1, you just drop your offer, your magnet, into every single bag that goes out the door. That's it. Step 2, the customer gets their food, sees this awesome offer, and scans a QR code or types in a link to claim it. Seriously, that's the entire physical part of the job done. Okay, now this is where the real magic starts to happen. That special link, it doesn't just go to your regular website homepage. Oh no, it takes them to a very specific, very special kind of page that powers this whole strategy. It's called a squeeze page, but you can just think of it as your own digital VIP sign-up sheet. It has one job and one job only: to trade your amazing offer for their contact information. No other links, no distractions, just a simple, clear, give me your email, I'll give you this cool thing. Now, for this to work, you gotta get this page right. First, the offer has to be genuinely valuable. Second, and this is key, you require their email or phone number to actually deliver the offer. This makes sure you're getting real, legit contact info. And finally, if you're testing different offers, give each one its own unique page. Trust me, this part is absolutely critical for the next step. Okay, I know what you're thinking. What about all the people who scan the code, land on the page, but then get distracted and don't actually sign up? Did we just lose them? No way. This is where the strategy gets really, really smart and incredibly cost-efficient. We're going to talk about smart, low-cost retargeting. So instead of just letting those people disappear into the ether, we have a way to gently nudge them and remind them about your great offer without spending a fortune. We do this with something called a tracking pixel from places like Facebook or Google. And please don't let that technical name scare you. Think of it like a friendly doorman standing at the entrance of your squeeze page. It doesn't know their name, but it remembers everyone who stopped by. It creates this tiny, hyper-focused audience of people who you know are customers and are already interested. So look at what you've just created. 2 incredibly powerful paths. For the group that gave you their contact info, boom, you can now talk to them directly, for free, anytime you want with emails or texts. And for the group that visited but didn't sign up, you can run ridiculously cheap ads that only show to them. It's so cost efficient because you're not shouting into the void, you're whispering to a tiny group of people who are already warmed up. But wait, it gets even more efficient. I mean, the whole goal here is to stop wasting a single penny of your ad budget, right? You do this with something called a suppression list. Here's how it works. After someone gives you their info, they land on a special thank you page. You put another one of those little pixel doormen on that page. This creates a list of people who have already signed up. You then just tell your app platform, hey, whatever you do, do not show my ads to anyone on this list. The result? You never ever pay to show an ad to someone who's already on your email list. It is the ultimate in advertising efficiency. So you put all these simple little pieces together. What's the big payoff? It's immense. You're no longer just renting customers from an app, you are finally truly owning your audience. And this is what it all adds up to. You now own 100% of your customer data. You've unlocked this incredible channel for ultra-low-cost, targeted marketing. You can now build real, genuine loyalty outside of some third-party platform. And since you know which offers people responded to, you can start to understand what they like and customize everything in the future. You have turned a one-time transaction into a direct relationship. So, after seeing how simple and powerful this all is, really, there's only one question left. And this one's for you to answer for your business. What's that first irresistible offer you're going to put in the bag?